In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable link in Dropbox. Dropbox tutorial on mobile. If you've ever needed to send a file or an entire folder without attaching anything, a shareable link is the easiest way. It lets people view or download what you send, and you can paste it into an email, a message, or anywhere you type text. Start by opening your Dropbox mobile app. Once you're looking at your files and folders, find the item you want to share. Next to the file or folder name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, which opens more options. Tap that to bring up the menu. From the menu, tap Share. This opens the sharing screen for that specific file or folder. Here, you have 2 simple ways to grab a link. The quickest option is to use the blue button labeled Copy Link, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap it, and Dropbox will create a link if one doesn't already exist, then copy it to your clipboard. You'll usually see a brief confirmation that the link was copied. If you prefer using the menu, look for the 3 dots again on this sharing screen, tap them, and choose Copy URL or Copy Link. Either option does the same thing. It places the shareable link on your device's clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. With the link copied, you're ready to share. Open your email app, your messaging app, or any other platform, tap into the message field, paste the link, and send it off. The recipient will get a URL that takes them directly to that file or folder in Dropbox, and in most cases, they can view or download it without needing a Dropbox account. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Double check that you've selected the correct file or folder before copying the link, especially if you're working with similar names. If you don't immediately see the blue Copy Link button, don't worry, layouts can vary slightly between iPhone and Android, but the Share option and the 3 dots menu work the same way. You can also test your link by pasting it into your own browser or a note first, just to confirm it looks right. Remember that anyone with the link can access what you shared, so only give it to people you trust and avoid posting it publicly if it's sensitive. That's all there is to it. Open Dropbox, tap the 3 dots on your file or folder, tap Share, copy the link with the blue button or through the menu, and paste it wherever you want to share it. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell icon for new uploads. Thanks for watching.